We'll be picking out one envelope.
So we're having a game being grouped by colors, and guess what I'm stuck with?
The purple. 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Prizes are round trip tickets to somewhere. Asa to talaga?
You have to travel in the way of
Passport pa.
So we have to decide between these. If not, guys, where are we going? Puerto Princesa! Good morning, everyone. It's me and Dodong Day. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning. Apoy kay go, di ko morning person. But we are at the airport because we are going to
Palawi. Puerto.
Palawi.
We're going to Palawi.
We are currently waiting for our flight and we're about to board. And in a few minutes, you will see me in Puerto Princesa, Palawi.
Hi guys! We just arrived in
Puerto Princesa! We are here! We are super near Robinson's. I can feel it. If I want to watch a movie, I'm gonna do that. It's so pretty. Look at that. This is our room. Hi. I'm rooming with Ray. She will be smelling my utot for the next 2 days. Ooh, oh my gosh, these beds look so comfy. Let me get ambakan. Thank you. And there are mirrors. I like it. And look at this. Uy, nindot ang view. Pretty garden ang view. Hey. So, we are gonna go on our first tour. Or our first stop, which is we're going to a beach. I forgot what it's called. It's Nagtabon, I think Nagtabon Beach. So we're going there, and then we're gonna have lunch there. We're gonna go swim and hang out, and then later we're going on a firefly watching trip. So I'm super excited about that, and I'll show you my outfit later. But I'm basically just wearing like a floral top and denim shorts. Here's Ray, my roomie. Stank up the bathroom, so at least wala siya nireklamo so far. Libang gyud ko dahil pag-abot ba?
I'm so happy because not all the hotels have bidet na.
Oh my god, yes, they do have a bidet.
Yes, so that's a bidet. So I'm so happy.
Basta, when you're inside the room, kaya nag-video ko ba? Or I was taking pictures. Pagkita na po sa bathroom, kaya akong bath gamer siya, it felt at home. Or you can poop here. Hey guys, so we are currently at Nagtabon Beach. We're gonna have lunch here and we are gonna go swim and take our Instagram photos. I'm so excited. Let's chill. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is like a really random thing na sila. Solar panel. I love it. Pila to ka minutes pa dong diri? Like 30?
Mura siya here to Ayala. Charot na sa kasi reference.
Yawa mo. Oh my god, what happened to your neck?
Operahan.
Ano gipirahan ka?
Hypothyroidism.
Oh my god.
Siya is sapphire sand.
Thank you, ata. Ma'am. Dunya kita daw sa alam mo.
Day ba nag-spot day basta dunya ta diri.
Rugi ka gid mo luyo.
Uy, bugas yun na ako pag high school. Pag-ziron kay ko pag high school.
Okay guys, let's go get a better view of this guy. Ito joke.
Ibas ako dyan nila.
Do you guys see that island over there? That's mine. It's Susu Island.
And it's very
Wow. What's so many kuya?
snorkeling.
Snorkeling.
Mga corals.
Hi guys! Nag-vlog sa sila tanan.
Mag-vlog, manarba ko sa kuya. So what we're gonna do today is like just hang out at this beach, have lunch, and then I'm gonna get my Instagram game on because Instagram is life, right, Dave? I'm so happy na si Dodong Dave kay siya amo picture na ko.
What?
Mana siya picture.
Okay, I'm gonna go now.
Hoy, ikaw ako Instagram boyfriend for the 3
the whole
days.
trip.
Yes.
As long as you do the same for me.
Of course. Gana ka unsay mong gibaon, nagdakag ka ng trunks?
Ate Chong.
Dapat dyan na huot. Pag-yun kayo baka nagikan grade 6 pa ni mo.
Puyan ko na yun. Board shorts.
Ay, yaw, trunks. Pero malipay ako mga viewers.
Mag-brief na lang ako. Nag-brief.
Mag-brief na ka. Sige daw.
Brief para ako. Black pag yun akong brief.
Wala.
So maputi ko pag
Ay, yaw ka ng puti para mo see-through.
Sa mukha.
Sa mangka, oy. Anong isda ito, ate?
Ito ang sa inyo ay ano ito, yung labahita, kasama ng mga surat. Ito naman sa mga customer namin na pinaluto lang, ito lang ito.
So, ano ate, like, sa may Tagalog, ano, ay, kanang dinakip. Ano? Hinuli? Ano ba ate? My God. Up here. Hinuli? Nawa ko sa hinuli.
So yeah, we have native na tinola, pinakbet, ensaladang talong.
What's an ensalada?
Basically, it's a bougie way of saying there's tomatoes and onions on your vegetable.
Oh, okay.
And then there's
Pinasosyal.
grilled fish and grilled pork.
Okay.
Oh, I'm so excited. And what's this?
That's a pork. Babaha. Dating.
Look, there's also a doggy.
Salamat, tita.
Alright guys, so lunch is done and we're on our way to the beach. And look, I have a belly. Oh my god, the dog's swimming! There he's swimming! That is so cute. That's the cutest thing I've ever seen. Pag jump pag yun siya sa water. Cute yung doggy, eh? Anyways, as I was saying, before any of my trips, if I know it's at the beach, I will prepare a shot list. I'll go on Pinterest and then look for photo inspirations that I want to achieve on my trip. And that's exactly what I did for this trip. And now it is time for us to take photos. Hence, check this out. It's Alem and Yuno. Da. Hey guys, so Yuno just finished his vlog, so now it's my turn. We just finished at the beach. It was so much fun, and now we are on our way back so that we can freshen up and get ready for dinner. I'm really excited because it's gonna be a buffet and cruise at this firefly watching place. So I'm so excited. So bye Nagtabon Beach. Bye, ibilin daw ka diri. Ang imoy, naklaro imong kulot.
Oh my god, right?
Kulot din siya. I love it. So we took an unexpected pit stop, detour, whatever you may call it, to take pictures. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh gosh. Okay, so what's happening now is we are gonna have the tour in a little bit. So we're getting on that boat. Oh, okay, so we're getting on that boat and then we're gonna have the tour. But like it's 30 to 45 minutes, but it's dark, so there's really not much point in taking videos. So I might just vlog the audio on my cell phone.
Dili kayo daw.
Dili daw kaayod, Dave, kay kanon daw kas buhaya. Ang gawas daw mo.
Boya ng mga joke. Di ba may crocodile dito, kuya?
Di ba Crocodile River man ang pangalan eh?
May dragon Drake.
Oh my god, someone's calling me, what?
Wala dito.
Nalagay ko yung mga ma-form sa kung dito na.
Na ako'y ma-form na tao.
Oh, di ba? Tao, saan ako na-form?
Mura siya na tao.
Nag-dress,
I'm not
no?
even looking at it.
Talawa.
No?
Ha?
Ay, talawan kayo.
Mura siya na ay,
talawa,
murag na ay person sa tree.
Oh, di ba, eh? Kita ka niya, ano? Kita ka? May puti.
Dry leaves ano eh. Gabi ka siya.
No, wait,
Dry
ka na
leaves.
sa dagat.
Sige, tagda ka. Basi mo tingog na. Ubanan ka sa mong kwarto. Unya, gusto ka.
Oh, tulo na, mi.
Si Yuno na hadlock doon. Uy.
Yuno, ina-holdan. Holdan technology. Oh, Yuno, okay na kayo, no?
Hindi ko nahadlok, guys. Katulang yun ako tiil.
Ako din, patubangan ko ninyo.
Ikaw ang paon.
Ano po ka-realize? Nalipay pa ko. Unlock mo din, no?
Not really, kasi there's a kuya and oh my god, there's no kuya in front eh. Habi na ko na kuya. You guys definitely cannot see this, but it's in front of us. And it looks pretty.
It's been a long while since I've seen fireflies. The time I've seen fireflies was like elementary pa ko. And we used to catch them by like isud sa jar.
Mo ba?
Daghan kayo mong good siya.
Lingaw ra ba na sila kay nag-camping me once niya na inipilit sa akong hand. Ako na lang gid siyang gi-friend.
Holy shit, what was that?
Tubig.
So, sino to? Gano ka naman sila? Mo pahayag sa whole lake ba?
Gabi kay ka og expectations, Dave.
Panahon sa mga hapon. Panahon sa mga hapon dito, magkanaguro ang light.
Sino kayo nakanood ng cruise din no? Para lang tanong perfect?
Sumaing ana sila mag-date sa unang panahon.
Lang to, no?
Lagi daw.
Person, siya po ganang ginani.
Ha?
Ganang ko ginani.
Unsa ka emotional person?
Traditional person.
A traditional person.
Love letter. Wala, awan, light.
Muna yung plankton.
Isda yun?
Ay.
Ano yung isda na yun?
Unsa daw?
Nakakain yun, kuya.
Tilapia to, Alem.
Oh my god, you know I have a puffer fish at home.
Really?
Yeah.
Ito na isa, nilipon ko niya sa ito ang light, ang stars at ang moon ang nag-light sa wave.
Yan na din mo akbay ni mo lang.
Aloch dayon mo. Sa ilalim ng buwan.
Kuya, anong pagkain mamaya?
Firefly daw.
Mermaid. Unsa daw?
He likes
Ano ba, pero if nanguyab siya sa another nga girl, kay marag iyang papusgan ang iyang light.
Itong kumakain din sa fireplace, paniki.
Ay,
May mga paniki.
Unsa
dito,
paniki?
May
Ba-
buwan dito. Lalo na pag yung malakas na yung buwan.
Wala ba kayo manananggal, kuya?
Na speakers daw. Okay guys, I'm gonna cut the audio because I don't want to edit the rest of this. It is 9:39. I just got off the phone with Paulo. The guys, Zeke, Ray, and Alem, they decided to go out and I think they got a bottle to drink so that they could go to sleep easier because tomorrow our call time is at 6:30. So I was just so tired, and then me sa mom and Paulo last night, and I remember this morning was so hard, and I think that I'm getting a sore throat because my throat feels kind of tight, and I think it's because I was so tired, and then you can't forget inom, and then I ate that Oreo, so didn't siya kaya sa kong powers. So I decided, my eyebrows are so pretty. Anyways, I decided to just stay in the room, and I am currently working. So I'm working on a quotation right now, and I'm watching History Channel, and yeah, I'm watching that. I'm officially closing this vlog. I hope that you like day 1. Stay tuned for day 2. Hopefully that comes sooner than later. And don't forget to subscribe, and follow to me. Follow to me. What? Don't forget to subscribe, and follow me on all my social media accounts. I am Issaplease, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Again. Oh.